Why didn't you help me, sinful?
Sorry, I was doing the dishes.
Hey, Sponge boy, me bub. I've hit the booth too many times, me boy, and now I am zooted out of my mind.
Oh, Patrick.
My name's Lonely.
Shut up, bro.
Duh. I don't have any parents.
It's like you were spawned in this world.
I chose my class and then I just spawned. Chose the nigger class. So I started on extreme difficulty.
If we lose this, bro,
Oh yeah, bro. What are you gonna do, bro? If you lose, bro, what are you gonna do, bro?
I'm gonna kiss you so hard.
All right, everybody needs to lose. Lose right now. Lose. Lose. No.
Yeah.
Lonely. I'm coming for that ass, brother.
If we lose this, I'll kiss you so hard.
You can't see what I just did, but I just did that emoji where it's like the lip biting one. It's like the You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. Well,
All right. Hand over them
up,
lips.
boy.
How could this happen to me? Bro, stop V-hopping and play the game, sinful. Or I'm gonna call your mom and tell you had a bad day at work.
I did, so tell her.
Oh, I'm sorry, what happened? Do you want to talk about it?
No.
I would like to talk about it.
No one asked you, Propane. Shut up and fucking kill
Okay.
people.
I'm trying.
Uncle Enzo, I cannot understand your language. What foreign language is that? Oh, my bad.
Why is it acceptable for women to have vibrators, but we can't have we have one pocket pussy and then we're just degenerates? Like, come on.
Bro, how many Discord kittens do you have? And how many are underage?
Zero. Zero.
Put a 1 in front of the number and you're right on the money there, bud.
Discord kitten so you can start flying them to you. I'm a Discord kitten for life.
You sound like SwaggerSouls.
GG.
Listen.
Oh my god, is that a gamer girl? Do you have Discord?
Wait, Panda, listen, just level with me, buddy. Are you SwaggerSouls? Like,
Can I be your Discord kitten?
Like, you can
sounds
like
a
gas station employee. Panda, come on, level with me here. Are you SwaggerSouls?
No.
Yeah, I think Panda is just SwaggerSouls undercover.
You just really want him to say that he's SwaggerSouls, huh?
Yeah, so I can put it on my YouTube.
Panda, just say you're SwaggerSouls so I can click.
Panda, just say it so I can put it on my YouTube video, bro.
Burger King didn't give me my fucking chicken nuggets. I ordered 16 piece, and the DoorDash delivery driver didn't even give me my chicken nuggets.
Did you go back and get your nuggets?
I would have
I
off
hope
myself.
you're very upset.
Did you go back and get your nuggets?
No, Dre, they can't hear you. They can't hear you. You're dead.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm
I
dumb.
was really like excited to eat the
Monkey.
fucking.
I have a big question for her when I can hear her again. You sound like a leader of like a pop punk band in 2006.
Who, me?
Yeah, sing all the small things.
Oh, small things like my cock. You know how it goes. I don't know. Do you think marijuana is bad for you?
Yo, where you at? Where you at, right name Goblin? Look at me.
Where you at? Wait, who is that? Dre?
Yeah. Look. This is your brain, right? And this deagle is a weed.
Oh no.
God, doesn't do anything.
Oh, you see all the blood? That's your brain on a weed.
Fucking bleed.
That is your brain on a weed. Do not smoke weed.
I think Dre's actually looking for a Discord kitten. Actually, about Discord kittens, but
Yo, stop teasing me before I go berserk.
Someone needs a little
I'm going off. Stay out of my way. I need my Discord kitten. She must be safe.
Put your fucking shirt on.
Put your shirt on, Lucid.
You son of a bitch.
I'm
Where's
gonna
Lucid?
shove my fist up your ass.
All right. My name's Lucid. I'm here. Where are you at, Discord
Put your
kitten?
fucking shirt on. Who's a Discord kitten? I'm no Discord kitten. People are my Discord kitten.
You want to be daddy's little plaything?
Where the fuck are you fucking to?
Yo, I can't take y'all seriously, yo. I need to fucking focus. Y'all need to shut up.
Focus on the game, okay? Let's actually focus on winning.
Bruh.
That's good.
He said my name's Lucid. Bro,
guys.
Am I on the same team as my friends from before? No, but SwaggerSouls is on the other team.
Dude, shut the fuck up. I'm 6'8". I will literally stomp on you. I'll crush you.
I'm
Wait,
6'4".
SwaggerSouls, come here,
I'm at the
come here,
perfect
baby,
height
come
to
back.
just punch you in your
Come
balls.
on.
Is my Discord kidding doing okay on the other team? Is she okay without Daddy?
I'm cringy.
Oh my god.
Drake,
They
micro
said they don't
jumping or
miss you.
something.
What did you say,
I'm
my
sorry.
son?
I told them that you missed them, and they're both like
Daddy?
just pooping on you, man. They
They're
took a
pooping on
spot,
me?
dropped the and started showing them who
Why?
was boss.
The anger in me cannot be contained. I must go Super Saiyan. Ah! Ah! What? Vesper,
What?
what does the
Yeah,
fox say?
where's he at? Tell me where's.
I literally don't know where this other guy.
I can't really
hear
scream
him.
that
I
loud,
just
you know,
don't see him.
but you know.
Oh, I can make you scream that loud. Oh yeah.
Now picked up the Kool-Aid vibe real quick.
Whoa, whoa, Lucid. That was racist. I'm leaving this game. You just crossed the line there, bud.
Oh my goodness, I called you the Kool-Aid man.
Ooh.